Hey, we live. Quality. Hey, we live. There we go. There we go. Yo, what's good? We live right now. It's what's up? Yo, what's good? We live right now. I'm just waiting for some more people to join before we do this analysis. Can you hear me? Can y'all hear me? Perfect. So what's going on, everybody? It's your boy NTG. We live. My bad, y'all. I'm waiting for some more people to come in before I start this analysis. I'm gonna show you guys the trade I took today. I know some of you guys had some questions about it. You guys caught the wrong direction. Tim, what's up, man? Curtis, what's good, man? Hey. Yes, sir. It's your boy NTG. All right, guys. I'm just testing the live stream right now, looking how everything's going. I want to see how many people join the live stream. So it's only gonna be a quick analysis. I'm not gonna be on here for hours, but in the future, I definitely will be. But we just testing out the new software right now. Make sure everything runs smooth for the next live stream. Hey, appreciate that, famous Q. Yes, sir. Mr. Double Trend Line. Yes, sir. Hey, I gotta come up with a name with that. I'm gonna make a name for that, cause you know it's the original, came from the NTG himself. Let me go ahead and full screen live this. All right, guys, let's get into it, man. All right, so let me show you guys the setup that I had for last night. So I was on the 30-minute. Some of you guys were looking for some sells, but you guys forgot to draw out this structure here, this zone, this 4-hour zone right here. You guys see that? Remember, I told you guys, when we have resistance, when market breaks that structure, it becomes support. So guys, remember, we broke this 4-hour trend line a while back, last week, a couple weeks ago. So we're having some bullish move right now. Let's go ahead and look at our SMA. As you guys can see, we're starting to cross over the SMA. We had this big bullish movement over here. So if you guys saw my story, I actually caught an early entry. Let me go back on my picture so I can see. So I had an entry somewhere down here around the 36.20. So it was like around here. I know some of you guys asked me, how did I get in the bottom of the entry and literally catch like 200 pips? I told you guys I'm back testing right now. I'm back testing the strategy. It's my pre-breakout strategy. I'm still working on it. I'm still collecting data. I'm forward testing it right now just to make sure that it's a profitable strategy before I start uploading it on YouTube. So, but like I said, you guys were looking for sells around here, but you guys forgot that we hit this 4-hour resistance here. So this was definitely a support zone. So that's where some of you guys went wrong. All right. So on the 30-minute, we actually had a symmetrical triangle here. We had a whole triangle here that I was actually anticipating for this break here. As you guys can see where I circled this around here, I was looking for that area for it to break structure there, and then gold just broke that structure and went crazy to the upside, and it also broke this 4-hour resistance. So we're definitely looking for some more bullish movement for sure. All right, guys, so I waited for that break, right? So it was good for me because that first entry that I had from here, I was already up 100 pips. So that's also what helped me with that drawdown. If you guys saw in the picture, if it wasn't for this entry right here, I definitely would have lost that trade for sure, because gold did reverse pretty bad and I was in my margin was in the negative. So this position right here alone saved my account. So we were here, I bought here. I was sleeping throughout this whole movement. I wanted to add more positions, but I was sleeping, and then I woke up for the London session around here, and then this is when I started placing trades, right? So I caught this break here. I had an entry here right at the break, and then this is when gold started reversing a little bit, and then I had another entry. Let me look at my pictures because I don't remember the numbers. Okay, 6134. Yep, 47. It was at the 45. So right here, I had the entry was right here. Actually, it was right here. The entry was down here. Beautiful, because I didn't like my initial position at the 47. Oh yeah, I did have one at the 47 right here. Looking at my pictures here, and then yeah, I had some more movement, and then I had a second, my third entry up here when we broke this this higher low right here. So we broke that higher low, but I waited for gold to break this zone here of resistance. Oh, let me take the session off. I waited for this zone here, because this is still, you guys have to mark up previous structure. Okay, guys, you guys are ignoring, like when you guys send me your analysis on IG, you guys are ignoring previous structure. Like you don't have any zones at all from the previous time. So that's why when you guys see here, you guys are looking for buys. If you got into this buy right here, you guys forgot about this resistance zone here. You guys do that a lot. You forget about support zones. You forget about resistance zones. You're too focused on, like, on your screen. You're too focused on right here. This is your main focus. All right. You guys got to get a little bit of an overall picture of the market from the higher time frames and previous structure. Okay. Previous structure does act as support and resistance, or even a trend line. So you guys have to keep that in mind when you're trading. All right. And also, you guys drew your zones out really bad. I saw a couple pictures from yesterday's trade. This one right here. Let me do a market replay mode, right? Some of you guys had this pattern right here. It was an ascending triangle here, and some of you guys had this right here. Now, where you went wrong, first of all, the first thing you went wrong when you started trading is you were not in session. So you guys were placing trades in a non-session, all right? The second thing that you guys did wrong was drawing your structure on the 5-minute. I told you guys, do not draw your structure on the 5-minute. The 5-minute is used for a confirmation break. So when you draw your pattern on the 15 or the 30-minute, 15 or the 30-minute, all right, then you go to the 5-minute and wait for a confirmation break. All right, if you were on the 15-minute, you would have saw that gold was actually consolidating, right? And also, if you waited for the session, you would have saw that gold was consolidating right here, and you would have said, okay, so all I have to do is either wait for the break for a buy or a sell. So that's why some of you guys were getting into buys. You guys didn't have this trend line of resistance here. All right. So that's how I was able to catch that sell. 1, we had a trend line of resistance. 2, I waited for a session. Okay. 3, I drew my session, my pattern on the 15-minute. And then all I did was just wait for a 5-minute break. All right. We started crossing my SMA, my 100 SMA here. So I was getting ready for that sell. Gold was just boom. And then there we go. Once it hit that drop, you guys already know when we hit that break of that zone, that's when we get into the sell or the buy. So you guys have to remember these things. You got to remember your steps. A lot of you guys are skipping your steps when you're trading. All right. And you guys are also mixing your key structure. You got to remember your key level of structure. All right, guys. So that's pretty much what I really saw from, like, when you guys were sending me pictures, your analysis. All right. And also higher time frames, guys. Don't forget about higher time frames. Okay. Don't forget about higher time frames. This is how I was able to pick up this pattern right here. All right. A lot of you guys were sell biased. Remember, I told you guys, you guys want to look for a sell and a buy until the gold starts to tell you on which side it wants to be strong on. So if it wants to be strong on bullish or bearish. All right. So you want to come into it with an open mind and say, okay, we can either get into a sell or we can get into a buy. And then when you start drawing out your patterns, you start seeing how gold moves and it start breaking into one direction. That's when you want to switch gears to either bullish or bearish. All right. So this was simple. I'm not going to show you guys the pre-breakout strategy, obviously. But this was just my analysis that I had here. We crossed the SMA, so I was looking bullish. I just waited for some sort of a confirmation to keep going higher, and we did. We broke that 4-hour resistance here. So I'm going to be looking for some type of retracement, right? Back to this zone to shoot higher. I don't know if it's going to happen by tomorrow, right? Some sort of a confirmation here, all right? This will probably be our first structure on the 4-hour. So that's the zone that you guys want to be careful with once we start to retrace and then shoot higher. Let's see what the 15-minute looks like. So yeah, we don't really have much on the 15-minute because we're not in session. We're not even close to the session yet. We still got a couple hours until the London session starts. So, but I'm gonna draw this out for now. But you guys already know, over time the pattern does change. So when I wake up in the morning, obviously I'm going to adjust the pattern. But that's what I see right now. I don't know if gold is going to keep doing this until we get some sort of a break. But you guys remember, 15-minute. You guys want to wait for the session, okay? If it's like an hour before the session and you see gold starts to move, that's okay. It's going to get pretty close to the London session. But like if you're just trying to start trading right now, I don't advise it. Just wait for the session. Set this analysis up right here. Let's go ahead and see if we have some other structure, because usually we do. Boom, look at that. We got some support here. All right, so this is a nice zone right here, just like that. You guys see how previous structure, all right, it respects it. Gold always respects previous structure. So when you guys are drawing your zones, look to the left. You don't have to go too far, but look to the left to see if you have some other sort of structure, and I can confirm it for you. So, all right, so this was support, and we broke this support. So this is why gold did a little stop here, and now it's acting as resistance. So we want to be very mindful of this zone here. So this is a good zone to keep while we're waiting for this pattern, right? So once you guys go to your 5-minute, right, the beautiful falling flag, look at that. That's beautiful. I love that. All right, so we're gonna be waiting for structure, of course. Right now we're above the SMA, so I am looking bullish, but I'm gonna be very careful around this zone, guys, okay? Because we can get into a false breakout here. We can break to the upside, and then gold can just tank the market right at this resistance. All right, so just be careful. Make sure you're using money management. A lot of you guys are not using money management, and you guys are killing me with that. All right, because you guys are blowing your account. You guys are like, what, a month into trading, 3 months into trading, 6 months into trading, and you're already putting $1,000 in your account. You're like, hey, NTG, I'm ready to flip. Like, come on, guys. Let's be realistic. Let's use money management so that we can learn how to trade. All right, guys. You guys are like, oh, I binge watched some of your videos. Now I'm ready to trade. Guys, that's not enough. Binge watching my videos is not enough for you to master this. You have to be active. You have to be live. You have to be trading live every day. You have to build that credit. All right. You have to build that first. So use money management, risk 2%. Learn how to trade first. Build yourself to be consistently profitable before you start doing all these crazy flips. You know what I'm saying? So that's just my advice to you guys, to watch out for that. Let me go ahead and look at the chat real quick. Is Lucci? What's up, Lucci? Yeah. I was just talking to you. I remember. Yeah. I was just talking about money management, man. You guys got to be on that. You guys have to be on that money management. Let me go ahead and look at the chat. Hey, what's going on, y'all? Hey, we got 97 people alive on the chat. That's what's up. That's a good number. I was actually expecting a lot, half of that at least. I was expecting like 50 people. That's a good number. Hey, what's going on? When does gold session start, NTG? Where do you live? You have to, guys, go on Google and search up sessions. All right, and then just look at wherever you live. Look at your time zone. There's a big chart that tells you what time the session starts. You're from Nigeria? I don't know. Shoot. What time is it over there in Nigeria? The setting for the SMA is a 100. It's a 100 SMA. It was a war. Yes, I know. I almost got caught in that. You guys saw the screenshot. Gold almost took me out too. It did. Yeah. I was like, dang. Gold almost took me out. That's, guys, money management. Gold will kill you. Don't take gold lightly. Gold will mess you up. I'm telling you. Which setting indicator do you use? Which indicator? Which indicator are you talking about? It's 2:35 a.m. right now in Nigeria. Shoot, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in Nigeria, your session will start at around 6 a.m., 6, 7 a.m. for you. Yeah. Yes, sir. Are you trading into crypto? Yes, I am. Yes, I got some money in crypto. Yep. This is the session indicator that I use. Let me show you guys real quick. All right. Right here. Session Asian, London, New York. Colored use. All right. By this guy right here. I don't know who that is, but this is it right here. Right here. That's the session indicator. This is it right here. Let me show you guys the settings. All right. I just have the London, New York. All right. You guys already know my settings for my EMAs. The 15 and the 30. All right. It doesn't change. If I change it, I'll let you guys know. I will let you guys know if I change it. All right. I'm reading the chat. Neil, I appreciate you, man. I appreciate all you guys watching the videos. Hey, what's up, Jason? What's good? Guys, if you guys message me on Instagram, I'm going to get back to you, all right? I'm slowly getting behind on that. You got to understand, like, I think, like, last month, I only had, like, 400 followers. I can manage my DMs very well. Now I have over 1,000. I have over, like, 200 requested messages. Like, it's like I have to get to one person at a time every day. It's a lot. It's a lot of you guys. So I'm trying my best. But I'm not used to this, man. I'm not really on social media like that, so how do you set up your pivot high lows? I don't set it up. It's just the default. I just add it to my indicators. The pivot high low. I don't do anything else. I don't change the settings. The settings is the default. What broker do you use? Traders Way. You guys know Traders Way and IG Live. Hey, M1 was good. Love from London. I appreciate you. Leon, appreciate you from the Bahamas. Yes, sir. My leverage is 1 to 1,000. What's my favorite pattern to trade? Definitely triangles. Triangle patterns, descending and symmetrical and ascending triangles. Those are my favorite. Those rarely get me into false breakouts. Flag patterns I like too, but those can give you false breakouts a lot. Why? Because of the zones. So if you guys see here how we're making these lower highs, the market can turn anytime at a given point at these pivot points. So if we break here, the market can skirt. It can start right there and then turn back. So flag patterns are very tricky to trade. So that's why I like triangle patterns better. When those break, they're gone. Gold's gone. So I love it. Yes, sir. Hey, appreciate you, John, man. If you just got in, I think it will upload. I think it's gonna upload a video again once I stop streaming. It's gonna be a quick stream. It's not. I'm just showing you guys my my analysis. Hold on, let me clean the charts up for my predictions right now. So this pattern looks clean right now. It looks very clean. All right, we can come around here all the way down You guys already know our gold can break this pattern very easily before the session. I'm gonna wake up in the morning. I'm gonna check where gold is at, and if I see any updates on the pattern, I'll post it on Instagram. I'll post it on Instagram. I'll post it on Instagram. Let me look at the chat real quick. Triangles, yes. Thanks for sharing. No problem. No problem. I'll tell you to wait. If you blew your account, I'll wait. Don't get back in the market with live money. Just be patient. Just re-up on your money. And like I said, you guys have to use money management. All right, this is not, gold is no joke. You got to learn how to trade first. You got to be consistent. All right. My first 2 years trading, I was doing that same thing. I was getting into that cycle where I was just blowing my account. And also, not blowing your account helps a lot, guys. When you blow your account and you don't have no money left, you stop trading. So when you, in that time when you're trying to reestablish your money, reimburse yourself, you're not on the charts actively live. So you're losing out on all that, on that performance, all that skill that you could have built up if you're using money management. So using that proper money management can build your skill up because it keeps you in the market so you can keep trading, you can keep learning. But when you blow your account, you stop trading for a couple weeks or a week or how long it takes, and you miss out, and then you start recycling. You lose that muscle memory on the charts. So this is why it's important to consistently be consistent first. Be consistent, learn, build your knowledge, and then go into the market, go into gold and kill it. But you guys have to build yourself first, all right? I'm telling you guys, this is no joke. This is not no, I'm gonna show you guys this key thing. Y'all gonna place trades and win every single day. It's not like that. This is real professional stuff, and I need you guys to be ready for that. All right, trading psychology, man. It's the real deal. And gold can take your money easily. It really can. Gold, it could just move 50 pips and there's your account. Boom. 20 pips, there's your account. Boom. So be careful about that. Build your money first. 2%. All right, guys. And don't trade money that you need. Don't trade money that you need. You guys have to build overall capital. And make sure you're back testing too. Yes, sir. Good job, Jason. Yep. Make sure you guys are back testing. Back test, back test, back test. On a $500 to $1,000 account, $10. Now I know on Traders Way, Traders Way don't allow you to go anything below 0.10. So that's why, shoot, trust me, if I can do a 0.0 run, I would. But it doesn't allow me to. You have to do a 0.10 or higher. It's only even increments. It doesn't break it. Like I can't do a 0.72, 0.65. It has to be 0.10 higher, 0.20, 30 standard. So it depends on your broker. But if you can use a 0.01 on gold, that's good. Use that. Build the skill up first. All right. The key thing is to get in good. Get in. That key entry is what saves you guys. Just like how I did on my previous entry. So that's how I'm able to scale in so good, because my first entry is supporting my account, right? But if your first entry is not that good, when you scale in and gold starts to retrace on you, it can actually start margin calling your positions because you're not at a good position. Yeah, I can do a video on that, on Confluence. Actually, I should do another video on that. I need to update that. Especially for gold. I don't think I did a Confluence trading for gold. I only did it for Forex pairs. Yes, sir. Yeah, John, I'm gonna get that trading psychology up. I didn't do the video because I was setting up this live. Like I know a lot of you guys been asking me about live. So I got y'all. I'm gonna get on this live. Don't expect me to go live every day though, but I'm gonna be going live for sure. I think this is better this way. I can teach you guys on the live stream and everything. You want more forex pairs? Which forex pairs? Tell me which ones, and then I'll look into it. Yeah, Jason, I'm gonna set the Telegram up. I'm still deciding if I want to do it. Not because I don't, but we have scammers out here, man. I don't want them taking advantage of the Telegram. That's my main concern. On my Fibonacci, do you need to see my Fibonacci settings? Let me show you my Fibonacci settings. It's on my Fibonacci video, but let me show you guys real quick so y'all can copy. I'll leave that up there. GJ, GU, Euro USD, Aussie. Okay, yeah, I like GU, so I can do more GU. GJ, yeah, I can do that. Euro USD too. I like Euro USD because Euro USD moves like gold, so we can definitely do that. I don't know what happened to that guy that's scamming. It's like it's hard to monitor that because they make multiple accounts. So I keep blocking. I have like 20, 30 of his channels blocked, and he just makes more. So guys, be careful with that. They're spamming WhatsApp numbers. They have the same profile picture as me. It's crazy. Be careful with that. Yeah, you can learn my strategy. You can watch my videos, learn my strategy. That's the whole thing on my YouTube channel. Hey, I appreciate you. I don't know how to pronounce your name though. Ikizi. I'm not sure if that's right, but I see you. Keep doing your thing. Have a good time at work. I'm gonna go live again, so don't worry. Set up a Discord. A Discord where? USD CAD. Do a video on fibs. Yes, I'm gonna do a video on fibs, guys. I'm gonna do a video on fibs. You guys keep asking me. I'm gonna do it. Trust me. I got a lot of videos I have to do. It takes time. No, this is not default. This is my Fibonacci setting. This is not a default Fibonacci setting. What age did I start trading? At 20. I started trading when I was 20. Michael, I appreciate you. Haywood, I appreciate you. Yeah, man. It's like that in this community. I don't know. People charging thousands of dollars for this. It's crazy. It's crazy. People are legit charging courses $500. That is crazy. Nah, I wouldn't do that. If I ever made a course, it would definitely not be like that. No way. No. Yeah, man, that's not my goal. I'm not trying to take money from y'all. I'm trying to help y'all as much as possible. You feel me? I'm 24. I'm 24 years old. Trading is not my full-time job. I told you guys I'm a full-time athlete. So, right now, I just got out of trading. I trade. I wake up in the morning and see where gold's at. If I see any setups, I'll stay up. If I don't, I'll go back to sleep and wake back up around 7, and then I'll start trading from 7 to like 11 o'clock, and then I go to the gym and I'm training every day. That's pretty much my life. I wake up, trade, training, trade, training, trade, training. That's all I do. So I actually couldn't go to my competitions since I got sick. So, but I got another one coming up in July. How about copy trade? Where did I learn how to trade? Multiple sources on YouTube. Guys, go look at other traders too. Look at other traders trade on YouTube. Learn different styles. Don't just stay here. You know what I'm saying? Learn from different courses. I did take a couple courses. They weren't life trade changing courses, to be honest. Did I get my money's worth? No, definitely not. But mostly just learning the basics I learned off YouTube, and then I developed my style of trading on gold, and that took me like a year and a half. Then I started seeing consistent profits. Swaggy charged 1,400. Yee, really? Wow. What's what? I'm an MMA fighter. I do amateur. I'm an MMA fighter, amateur, and I do taekwondo. I appreciate you, man. He said I'm staying with you. Hey, I appreciate you. How long did it take for me to become profitable? 2 years. Almost about 2 years. 2 years, man. I was down bad those 2 years. That was a stressful 2 years. I was losing a lot of money. Oh yeah, guys. I know what it's like. I was losing money, losing money, losing money. I was not consistent at all. Like I would have a couple good days. Like I would make like some $2,000 days, but then I'll give that right back to the market. You know, I get big level headed, and then I'm like, oh shoot, I'm making money, man. Let's get back into it, and then I lose it all. I've been there too many times. It's not worth it, guys. So yeah, I was dealing with that for like a year and a half, almost 2 years, and then I really started to change my mindset. Trading psychology, money management. I started really grinding on it. What also changed is my studying time. Like I went from only watching 15 minutes, 20 minutes videos to reading books daily. Watching videos. I was watching YouTube trading videos for like 8 hours a day. Like I was really grinding on it, taking notes, everything. Every single day I was grinding on it. You guys gotta take this serious. This is not no 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, I got it now. All right. Everyone got the fib settings. If not, y'all can go back to the stream when I look it up. You said you in Swag's course. Is it worth it? No, it's not worth it. What? I never seen his videos. I don't want no beef with him. Nah, I never seen his videos though. I'll look him up after. I'll watch some of his videos, see what he's like. Can you watch one of my fights? Maybe one day. Maybe one day. I'll send a link because they do live stream my fight. So yeah, pretty much. It's a business. It's a business, guys. People fall away from the actual trading and just create a business. That's what it is. Look at that, guys. Gold is looking good right now on that support that we just draw out. So it's looking real nice. Well, platform I'm using, Trading View. They do have a free account, guys. You guys can use a free account on there. I don't know about any other academy, guys. I don't know, but if they selling courses for like 500 plus, be careful. Be careful. Definitely be careful. There ain't nothing too good about selling a course for that much. My EMA setup, oh my gosh. Guys, if I had $1 for every single time someone asked me about my settings, I would be a millionaire right now. I promise you. It's the 15 and the 30. The blue is the 100 SMA. Yeah, guys. This year, I'm set to hit some big numbers. I'm gonna try and hit some big numbers this year. I'm trying to get out that six figure gap. I want to hit some big numbers. I want to hit some 50K, 100K profits on gold. So I've been hesitant on depositing more than $1,000 on TradingView, but I might do it, y'all. I might just go ahead and deposit that 10K and do a flip. Nah, I didn't hit seven figures. Nah, I didn't hit seven figures. Soon. Reason why? Because I don't like depositing big money on an unregulated broker. Trader's Way is an unregulated broker. But I might just do it. I don't know. I'm still deciding. So far gone. I appreciate you. Roy, hey bro, I want to ask you how to hold. Honestly, it's an experience thing. I've been doing it for a while now. I know exactly what you're talking about. You get anxious about holding trades. Like looking at the profit go up and down it's hard to do. And that's why I try to get you guys to watch my trading psychology video so you guys can learn how to hold your positions, cuz you guys miss out on trades when you don't hold your position. The Binary Geek, I appreciate you. Samurai, do I plan on flipping? I don't think so. I think I'm done for the week. I usually reach a goal. I reach a number goal and then I stop trading for the week. Sometimes I stop trading by Monday if I get a good setup. 15 and 30 and the 100. 30, 3-0. My leverage 1 to 1,000. Yep, you got out too early. Yep. You guys got to hold that. You guys got to hold that position. Yeah, I'm going to start doing some more lives so I can talk to you guys and we can start doing some more trades. I am going to do a live trade. I got y'all for sure. For a live trade and some more analysis. I actually like the live better. But I'm just testing it out right now. You know, your boy about to go to sleep though. I got to be up in the morning, look at some charts, and then I got some trade. How long till your course drop? Honestly, I don't know. I'm not even working on it right now. I have no desire, you know. I'm not trying to make a course so I can make a bunch of money. You know what I'm saying? So my YouTube video should be just enough, guys. If I make a course, it gotta be super detailed. Like y'all gotta get y'all worth. Like I'm not gonna just make some 1, 2, 3 course and then start. Nah. So I know it's mixed feelings about it. Some of you guys want a course, some of you guys don't. I think my YouTube videos are enough, but some of you guys want a course. I don't know. I'll decide on it. I'm not sure. Nah, I'm just waiting for the break, Luke. Once it breaks, I'm in. I'm not a retest trader. I'm a breakout trader. Once it breaks, I'm in there. I don't wait for retest. I might re-enter on a retest, but nah, I wait for the break and then boom. Yep. When should I go live again, guys? I'm trying to plan on going live again soon. I know it's the end of the week, so tomorrow's the market's gonna close, but we can become gang if you make one. Nah, we not a gang. NTG Academy. I feel you though. Yeah, I trade triangles. I draw out my zones. My zones just like this, and I wait for the breakout. I draw it just like that, and I wait for the breakout. On session. Remember, guys, wait for the session. Wait for the session. Would I do one-on-ones? Yeah, I think about it. That's going to be a lot of one-on-ones, to be honest. I got over 500 people asking me for one-on-ones. Yeah, I'm going to wait for the session, of course. If gold break right now, I'm not going to trade. No way. You guys know, wait for the session. We always do that. I know you guys been asking me about stop loss. I'm gonna do a video on stop loss, all right? But I told you guys, when I'm doing flips, okay, there's a difference, okay? This is what I said in my money management series. When I'm doing flips, okay, my primary goal is to flip the account. I'm not worried about money management on a flip account. I'll put a small $500 in there, and I already have in my mind that is either all gas, no brakes. Simple. That's why you guys don't see me on stop loss, because I'm like, if I lose this $500, I'm not gonna bat an eye. Like, it's $500. I'm not gonna. I already set myself up to lose that. So that's why I do my flips. But on my IG live where I hold my money, then nah. Definitely money management on that account. So it's a difference, guys. It's a difference between the flip, all right? If you want to flip an account or you want to grow an account, all right? It's a difference. I'm on the 5-minute right now, but I drew the structure out on the 15-minute. You see here? Look at, you guys can see where it's highlighted blue. You guys can see what time frame I'm on. I have some 4-hour resistance right here. If you guys just coming into the stream, I have some 4-hour resistance. Well, this was support. Gold broke this zone, and now it's resistance. And now I went to the 15-minute, drew out this falling flag, and there we go. Just do live trades. Just stream, no one-on-ones. Yeah, I feel that. It's a lot better. It's easier. Stream tomorrow? What I'm going to stream tomorrow? The market going to be closed. I'm not going to wake up in the morning and stream. I'm going to be asleep. I got to catch up on my beauty sleep. Your boy got to get some energy. Yes, it is. Compound your small account. That's what I did. So far, so gone. Yep. That's what I did. When I was working, I would compound. So I would trade and I'll deposit money at the same time. So I was making profit and depositing at the same time. And I was building that. I was compounding the account. Zoom classes. Yeah, we can talk about that. Definitely. I'll get on live, you know what I'm saying? Listen to some music, watch some movies, answer some questions. You guys already know NTG. I just be chilling. I like to chill. I like to chill and trade. That's all I do. Trade, train. That's it. Simple life. You said today is enough for gold? Yeah. It's like that. Yeah, I trade on the break of the flag pattern if we're in session. If we're not in session, I don't touch it. You turn 1K to 6K and Trader's Way lowered your leverage. You can't go back and change it. That's what I do. I just go back. I just go back in the account and change it. What music do I listen to? Everything. I like lo-fi hip hop. I'm chill. I like chill music, lo-fi hip hop. I listen to rap when I'm train. It depends what I'm doing. If I'm driving, I'm listening to slower paced music like lo-fi, all those things. Retro. If I'm training, I listen to a lot of rap. I like to listen to a lot of like Polo G type beats, Meek Mill type beats. Those instrumentals. Those get me hype. No, I don't smoke. I don't smoke. Never did. I don't think I would get into that. Do I think gold is going down? I'm bullish right now. It could go lower, but I'm bullish. I'm bullish right now. We can get back to this zone here. It could tank down here, but I'm bullish right now. I want to break here. So, if gold starts going bearish, I'm not gonna trade it. Like guys, if we break this zone down here, if we break to the downside, I'm not gonna trade it, because we're gonna hit this support soon. This support right here. So I ain't gonna trade it. I'm just waiting for. I'm being bullish right now. If we go bearish, I'm gonna just watch gold drop and see who catches it. Yes, sir. Mr. Trapper God, we live now. Yes, sir. Don't brokers prefer you to make money? It depends what broker, to be honest. Can you do a challenge $100 into 1,000? So I did 100 to like 4,000. Would I wait for the resistance? No. I will still enter the trade, but watch gold on the resistance though. I'm gonna still enter on this break. If gold breaks to the upside, I'm still gonna enter. All right, I'm still gonna enter. But if gold does start to struggle here, like it starts to look like it's making a pattern, and then it breaks to the downside. So that could definitely happen. But if we get a break, and then if we get a break to the upside, we're gonna retest this, and we're definitely gonna shoot higher for sure. Did trading save me from a 9 to 5? Yeah, it did. It did. And it gave me freedom to fight full time for sure. Do I invest in stocks? No, I don't do stocks. I've been looking into it though, but mostly just trade gold. I haven't traded forex in a while. Metals, that's my thing. You guys know. I'm gonna start uploading some index too. I know some of you guys want some US 30 stuff, so we're gonna do that. There's no booking. I don't book one-on-ones no more. I used to do it. I used to do one-on-ones back when nobody knew about me. But now I have hundreds of people asking, so I stopped doing it. Is forex the only thing you do for a living? I mean, what are you talking about? Like, as job wise or just in general in life? Is it important to only trade during your pair sessions? Yes, it is important. Why? Because you don't want to get caught in the consolidation. I tell you guys this, when we're not in session, ultimately gold just consolidates. Like, it doesn't go anywhere. It does not go anywhere. You guys see the difference between this and this? Look at this. Look at this session. When we hit session, that prime New York session is when gold pops off. that's how it's been lately. That prime New York, you guys see the difference. Session, all right, no session. So it keeps you guys from getting into losing trades. So it helps you. I trade both because sometimes gold moves on the London, but recently gold has not been moving on London for some reason. Normally it does move on London, but it's only been moving during the New York session. So I am expecting the movement to be the same tomorrow towards that New York session. Nas 100. I know some of y'all been asking me about Nas 100. It's not as crazy as US 30, really. I'm gonna check it out. I do trade US 30 though, but I haven't looked at Nas 100. I know I seen some screenshots of some profit though, crazy profit. I seen someone do like a $500,000 profit on Nas 100. That's ridiculous. Why Asian session don't move? Because there's not a lot of traders in the Asian session. All the traders are in London and New York. That's where all the traders are. So when they wake up and they trade, that's why the market moves in those sessions. The setup for the session, what do you mean? The session indicator? Do I trade crypto? Yeah. Bitcoin. I'm also investing in XRP. That might be the next move. I got some money in XRP. There's no the setting is the default. I just unchecked the Asian session and I just put the London. That's it. It's just a style. Yeah, I'm gonna get onto some more forex pairs. I got y'all. When do you start using real money? How long have you been trading? And do you have are you consistent? That's the real question. You gotta ask yourself if you're consistent. Oh wow, we got 150 people in the chat. And that's what's up. No. But I'm gonna start uploading some more currency pairs. It'll be good for you, especially for my beginner traders, because trading gold is harder. It's hard. Trading gold is hard. Forex pairs move a little bit slower, and you can risk better. So I'm gonna start getting on some. I'm gonna get back on forex. I just stopped trading forex because I like the profit gold gives me. That's all it was. Hey, I appreciate you, Binary Greet. Yeah, guys, come on. Make sure you guys are hitting that like button. I appreciate everyone, man. I appreciate you guys. Yep. I'm trying to decide. What you guys think? Telegram or Discord is better? I don't drink coffee either. I'm a very healthy person. I'm actually a vegetarian. Telegram, Discord, if I were to make a Discord, where would it be a good spot to do a Discord? What car do I drive? I like my BMW M4. That's my baby. Yes, sir. We fasting right now. Gotta wake up in the morning and pray. Shout out to everybody that's fasting right now. It's a lot of scammers on Telegram. Yeah, I know. That's why I've been hesitating on dropping it. My Muslim? No, I have a lot of Muslim family members. So I like to participate in their culture and everything, eat the food, listen to the music, and practice what they practice. Better control is the Discord. Where though? What platform should I have a Discord on? Yes, I back test every day. I'm back testing new strategies every day. I don't stop. The grind and learning doesn't stop. I'll think about it, guys. I'll decide on Telegram or Discord. We'll see about it. But it looks 50-50 right now. Discord and Telegram it looks 50-50. But for now we got the live streams at least. Right now I'm on the 5 minute. I'm on the 5 minute time frame. So you guys see here gold looks like it's starting to it might break this soon. So we're gonna see what happens. Should go back though. Discord and app. Oh, it's an app. So it's the same as Telegram. It's just an app. Don't look at the 1 minute. You shouldn't be at 1 minute. Don't look at the 1 minute. We not on 1 minute. The only time we go to the 1 minute is when we are live trading. Like when we have breaker structure and we're looking for high highs and high lows. And I told you guys I only recommend the 1 minute for like more advanced traders. The 1 minute is not easy to trade. Stick to the 5 minute. Keep doing live. This is much better. Yeah, I'm gonna keep doing live. Keep looking. You gotta keep looking on the higher time frames. Go to the hour. Go to the 30 minute. It's gonna be there. Trust me. You just gotta look. You gotta look. Discord's more organized. All right. I'm gonna look into it, guys. I just wanted to get this live set up. I'm gonna be recording some videos over the weekend. I'm gonna drop. I got trading psychology coming next, and I really want to finish that money management series. I'm trying to read everybody break. Scalping. The better boss. Discord. Discord is high maintenance. It's high maintenance. I'm trying to look at the chat. It's going fast. I gotta come back up. I gotta look at what some of y'all said. When did you realize after 2 years you finally became consistent? If you guys are OG, you guys see my podcast. I did a flip for my little brother. I told him that I was trading because he was interested in trading stocks. I told him I was trading Forex. I told him if he gave me $350, I'll flip it for him to buy him a computer. And I even had that. I still have the screenshot. I can post it. I flipped that $350 to $3,000. And then after that, when it was that one key right there, when I did that first withdrawal on that flip, is when like I don't know it was like some Jimmy Neutron. Like my brain just everything started connecting. Like it just happens. Like it's not there's no set time. It just happens for you. And then after that, I traded forex for like a couple months and I moved to gold and I never went back. Appreciate you guys. Yeah, we looking for a buy right now. How do I move on with my losses? It depends. Cause my losses, I can recover my losses, no problem. So I don't really deal with it. Like I have the capital to do that. Like if I lose, I have the capital to just reimburse myself and then just flip it and make it back plus more. So losses don't affect me as much. Now losses, 3 years ago, when I wasn't making money and I was working a job and I was literally blowing my check and then having to wait weeks to get paid again, that was hard to come back from. Because it was money that I could use to, buy groceries and stuff like that. Gas money, small stuff. And I didn't have a capital. I didn't have an overall capital. So that was hard for me to move from losses. But you got to keep grinding. Go demo. If that's your situation, go demo and learn how to trade on demo first. And then go back to live. Yes, sir. We're going to get that money management series done. Yes. No. Manage accounts. No, I don't manage accounts, guys. I don't want nobody paying me to manage accounts. Yeah, I bought courses. I told you I bought a couple courses. They weren't life changing though. They didn't change me. I learned some things, but it wasn't that. Shoot. Alright guys, but I got this set up right here. Y'all already know what to do. Alright guys, I'm about to head out soon. But we got this set up here. So you guys draw this out. I'm gonna wake up in the morning. I'm gonna update you guys on IG if I plan on trading a lot. I'm gonna let you guys know. If you just got into the stream, my fault. I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna be live streaming soon again. Trust me. I'm gonna be live streaming soon. But this is what we're looking at right now. I'm gonna stay on the 15-minute, guys. I'm gonna stay on the 15-minute. I'm gonna go back and forth between the 30 and the 15-minute. Don't go to the 5-minute yet. Stay on the 30 and the 15-minute. That's what we want to do. We want to stay on that time frame first. And then I'm going to just wait. I'm going to wake up in the morning and I'm going to draw out what I see. Yeah, it's going to get uploaded on YouTube. It's going to get uploaded on YouTube. Yeah, I'm going for a buy. I'm looking for a buy. I want it to break. This is a bullish pattern, guys. This falling flag is a bullish pattern. It's supposed to go like this. Boom. Just like that. It's a bullish pattern. So that's what I'm waiting for. Trader's way. Brokers, trader's way. It's trader's way. Trader's way. Trader's way. All right. But all right, guys. I'm out of here. I hope this helped. This was just a little test. I'm going to be back live soon, guys. All right. I appreciate everybody that tuned in. We're going to get some more stuff done, man. I appreciate you. Doug, I appreciate you, man. Next time, man, I got you. Yes, sir. I see you guys in the morning. Good night, good night, good night. I got you guys. Don't worry. I'm going to hit you guys up in the DMs, too. I just got to get through a lot of people. There's a lot of people on my requested. All right. Yes, sir. We're going to come back live soon. All right, y'all. I'm out of here.